Hi Cyber Club! It is so important to take care of yourself, so that's why today we're going to have a spa day. You're going to only need 3 items that you probably could find around your house. The first thing you'll need is a banana, honey, a lemon, and you'll need a bowl, a tablespoon, half a teaspoon, measuring cup, and then you'll need a knife. But please, please, please be careful. Before we start, did you know that 2.73 million Americans have used a facial either 4 or more times in the year 2020? And one of the most expensive facial creams out there costs $55,200. Can you believe it? Well, you're probably asking yourself, why? Well, let's look at the ingredients we're going to use for our facial mask. Bananas fights acne and it moisturizes your face. Honey fights acne as well and it hydrates your face. Lemon has vitamin C and it decreases oily skin. It's like when we eat food and it benefits our body. The same thing happens when we also apply food to the body. Well, some food, not all. All right, let's get started. First, you're going to peel your banana, grab your bowl, and then you're going to break the banana into the bowl. This will help you smash it up a little bit easier. So you'll grab your spoon, smash it up as best as you can. Remember, you're going to apply this to your face. So you want it a smooth consistency. All right, next you want to grab your honey and just put it in a tablespoon, and that's all you need. And then you will put it in your bowl. And then we're going to get the lemon ready. Just roll it, get those juices running. And please be careful with the knife. And then, as you can see, all the juice will run out and only use a half a teaspoon. All right, now that everything's in the bowl, you're going to just smash everything together. All right, you could try it out on the back of your hand. See if the consistency works for you. But this is what it will look like. And just remember, everybody, everyone comes in different shapes, sizes, colors, but we are all beautiful.
Feeling myself.
Have fun.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Let's head to the art room with Miss Emily.
So I've seen a lot of these yarn wrapped word tutorials around lately and they look pretty cute and easy to do, so I thought let's try one together. We're going to need some yarn. You can use one color yarn, or I've got some scraps here that I'm going to use so that my word will end up multicolored. You're also going to need some of this craft wire. You can get it for under $5 at a store like Michael's or Home Depot, and there's a lot of it. It's really easy to bend and it keeps its shape, so it's great for jewelry making and sculptures too. And finally, you're going to need a pair of scissors. If you're using yarn scraps like I am, you're going to need to tie the ends together to make one long continuous piece. Now just decide what word you want to use and write it out the size you want your finished piece to be on a piece of paper. Then take some of your wire, unravel it a little bit, and trace your word. Now, all the tutorials I've seen say to tie your string around your word and start winding it, pushing the part you wound down around your letters. So I tried that. And honestly, it was kind of hard to do, and the letters weren't keeping their shape anyway. So I'm like, why don't they just wind the yarn around the wire and then form the words? So that's what I did, and it was much easier. Once you've covered your wire, just bring out your word again and trace it like you did the first time. I do recommend still tracing the bare wire first though, so you know how long to make your wrapped wire. Now you can leave it like this, or let's put a heart frame around it. So to do that, take some more of your wire and measure out a heart that will fit around your word. Then wrap it in yarn like you did the first wire. When you're done, take the 2 ends and twist them together, and then you can take some yarn and wrap that to cover where you join them if you want. Pull your loop out flat so that you have the same amount on each side, and then just reform your heart. Then just connect your word using the ends, and you can also use yarn to connect it. I'm going to put it around this L loop here just to make it a little more stable. And here's the finished product. I like it. There's a lot you can do with this idea. You can do your name or even a whole sentence. There are all kinds of shapes. I think doing a really big piece and putting on your wall would be really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and I will see you next time.
Next up, Mrs. Taylor with job and scholarship opportunities. This is for our Cleveland region. First up, summer jobs with Youth Opportunities Unlimited. With the help of BGC NEO's Career Readiness Program, this program is designed to support youth ages 14 to 19 years old achieve a job for the summer. The objective is to provide career exposure, skill development, and learning opportunities to help youth in choosing a career path that leads to a brighter future. This is a 6-week paid work experience from June 21st to July 31st of 2021. You must be a rising 9th grader and 14 by June 1st. For my seniors, you have to be graduating this year by May or June with the maximum age of 19. So if you're between 14 and 19 years old, this is something that you would want to be a part of and something that you would want to look into for the summer. For more information, please email Tori Coates, who is the lead for our Career Readiness Program, at tcoates@bgcneo.org, or check out the YOU website at www.youthopportunities.org. The Shoal Scholarship. This is also for the Cleveland region. The Shoal Scholarship is worth up to $26,000 over the course of 4 years. So you do not get all of this money at once, guys. The requirements for this scholarship are as follows. You have to be an active BGC member in good standing for at least 3 years, enrolled in high school. You have to plan to enroll in college for the 2021-2022 semester to earn an associate's or a bachelor's degree. You must also have scored a 19 on your ACT or higher, or a 990 on your SAT or higher. You must show that you require financial assistance to pursue higher education, and you must attend a public or private, not-for-profit, Pell-eligible college or university. Again, this is for the Cleveland region. So if you have any more questions in regards to the Shoal Scholarship, speak to your club director immediately. Also, the deadline for this scholarship application is March 15th of 2021. So you guys have about 2, maybe 3 weeks to get this in. I will keep you guys updated as I get scholarships, and hopefully the next time they will be for everyone in all of our regions. Until then, continue to keep your head up and do your work and do the best that you can. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time.